Dito na ako sa Tirona High School Gaka, Bakal Kalkaw. Ito, alumni hall, guidance office, alumni principal's office, canteen. And happy friendship day po sa Tirona High School, Bakal Kakawit. Canteen annex. Ito. Covered court. Ito, building 2. Emelda Building, Museum. HHS, building 4, Malayo. Ito, faculty room ni Ma'am Jade Palagino sa baba. Building 3. Ito. Ito po ang ComLab sa taas. Ito. Building 1, canteen annex. Maliliit na building. Tapos, faculty room annex. So, yan lang po ang Friendship Day celebration ng Tirona High School, Bakal Kakawit. Thank you and God bless us all. Bye!